took a whole year, but the Libertads are arriving. I picked up 2 mint tubes of the 5 ounce, feels like 2 months ago nearly, from AtMex when they had their pre-orders running. Um, there were not as many interested parties in the 5 ounce compared to the 1 and 2. It took much longer for the 5 ounce to sell out the initial allocation, whereas the 2 ounce sold out in less than 2 hours, and the 1 ounce lasted the better part of the day, and that was it. That was it for the initial allocation during the pre-order in September. I don't like doing unboxing videos. However, given this rather awful year, I felt it appropriate to celebrate something good that happened, and receiving these Libertads was definitely a good thing. This is my Chica Jefe. She's unboxing these 5 ounce Libertads, and a little bit later she'll encapsulate them as well in this video. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a far better 2021. Thank you.